to record it.
Very good. Right. Let me just record it. Let me just try this again. So do you all see this?
Yes, the answer.
The answer, well, it is a term containing a contract. That's a contract provision. All right. Maybe, sorry, is Anna there?
Anna is there, but she's chatting. I don't know why. Anna, can't you use the microphone?
Are you able to talk? Are you a lawyer as well?
Oh, yes, Anna is a lawyer, or she's in the field, let's say. Well, if not, hello, Maria. Hello. There's Maria now.
Very good. Very good. All right, Maria, tell me, do you see, sorry. Maria, do you see this?
Yes.
Tell me, what is a third party to a contract?
Ya empecé así.
Yes.
Third party is another person out of the contract. I don't know how to explain it. It's not a party.
So
of
it's
the contract to a contract.
It's a person which is not involved in the contract. So can you read the answer?
Yes, a person who has not signed the contract but might be affected by it.
Very good. Maybe affected by it. Very good. Where is Romina there? Very good. Yes. Yes, she's still there. Romina, tell me, to enforce a term is, well, what do you think it is?
To try to be comply the contract.
To comply, to make someone comply with one of the terms in a contract. So can you read the answer?
Yeah. To make sure the term is obeyed.
You didn't read the answer first on the file, didn't you?
No, estoy mirando.
Very good. Yes.
Por eso dije con palabras.
Right. Yeah, don't cheat. Don't try to fool me. because if not, this isn't funny. Right. Who else is there? Anna, is she there? I'm not sure. Very good. So, well, who wants to answer this? What does it mean when I say to expressly confer a right or, a right or a benefit upon someone? Don't pay attention to this. This is a mistake. To confer a right or a benefit upon someone. What does it mean when if I say that?
To give someone a benefit.
To give someone a benefit, well, yes, it could be. Who said that, Romina?
Yes.
Very good. Romina, can you read the answer?
Yes. To write in a contract that person has that right or benefit.
Very good, yes. Okay, Juan Ignacio, can you read the question?
What is the construction of a contract?
What do you think it is? What is the construction of a contract?
Yeah. It's like the creation of a contract.
The creation of a contract. Interesting. Can you read the answer?
It's the interpretation of the contract. The verb is to construe, meaning to interpret.
To construe, yes. Very good. Well, I know Tatiana is a biologist, but what is an enforceable term or an enforceable contract? What do you think it means if I say an enforceable term?
Some term that makes sure that the contract will complete.
You mean to make sure the completion of a contract?
Yes.
Very good. So can you read the answer?
It is a term or a contract that the court will recognize as valid and will give therefore a solution known as remedy to the injured party of if the term or contract is breached.
Interesting. So you were right. Very good, Tatiana.
Awesome.
Right. So is a term or a contract that will recognize as valid because if that term is breached, to take that form into account, the verb to breach, it means that there will be a consequence, and that is known as the remedy. So be careful. The remedy is often called compensation, and it often involves a lot of money, a load of money. So be careful with enforceable terms. Very good. Romina, what does it mean if I say that I am a member of a class?
To be part of a group.
You didn't read the answer, didn't you?
No, no estoy diciendo.
Very good. Yes, it's okay. You were right. Can you read the answer?
To be a member of an identifiable group of people.
Very good. So you are right. It's to be a member of an identifiable group of people.
Let me say something.
Yes.
I've sent you through the WhatsApp group and also only for Tatiana, a group of 3 sheets of paper related to the book of ILEC book, on the topic of sale of goods. So take into account that photocopies that I sent you, because if we have enough time, we will work with that. Go on, please, Tomás.
Okay.
Please. Sorry.
Very good. Okay, who else is there? Anna.
Anna, are you there?
Anna, are you there?
We don't know because the name is there, but
Sorry,
we don't know.
Is it Dr. Ana Morales or CRIA Ana Morales?
We don't know.
Contadora.
Very good.
Maybe contadora.
Accountant.
No.
Interesting. I have
Yes,
never seen
right.
that
Accountant. Yes.
Y ahora
way
se
of-
usa esa. Ahora se usa ese para contador.
Wow, yeah, it sounds so cool. I've never seen that. Interesting. Very good. Maria, can you tell me
Next
what is
one.
the remedy for a breach of contract?
As you said, it's a compensation in the case of a breach of contract.
Well, but remember, what was the common remedy of a contract, or for a breach of contract?
Damages.
Awarding damages. Very good. Can you read the answer?
Yes. Sorry, my cat is. It is the solution provided to an injured party in case of a breach. It is sometimes called relief. The remedy is usually damages, but there are other solutions or relief available to the discretion of the court.
Pay attention to this, relief, because that's a new term even for me. So don't forget it. Very good. Do we have any others? All of this is part of contract law, so be careful and try to remember that correctly. All the words in bold is part of vocabulary which is
For instance,
Sorry.
enforceable term or breach of contract or relief, but relief is not only for contract law, but also for tort law. Tort law is daños y perjuicios.
right, yes, because you're talking about breach, entering a party.
Yes.
So you're supposed to compensate and to remedy. Remedy can also be a verb And well, that's me because I'm an English teacher. So
Yes, but
very good.
take it easy with the pointer because it's madness.
Right. Very good.
Okay.
Very good. Because this is my
Question.
first time using this type of pointer. So
Well, but take it easy, please.
right.
What else?
Maybe Romina, tell me, what is an injunction? Do you know?
No, I don't know. What does
Very
it
good.
mean?
Can you read the answer?
Yes. It's a court order that orders the party in breach to stop behaving in a way that breaches the contract. It's usually an order to stop
Sorry,
doing
doing.
something.
Doing.
Ah,
Yeah.
doing.
Doing. There's a typo there. Doing.
Okay, doing something.
Doing something. Very good. So
Who can say what is an injunction in Spanish? Juan Ignacio, to imagine what is an injunction?
Estoy pensando que puede ser una sentencia, pero a veces lo toman de otra manera, otra forma.
Puede ser un mandamiento de no innovar o de innovar. That's an
Claro, eso.
injunction. Más bien una medida cautelar.
Eso.
That's an injunction. Okay, Tomás, go on, please.
right. So an injunction, you mean that it's a form of warning?
Yes.
Right.
Formal order. It's an order.
It's
by
an
the
order.
judge.
Very good, very good. Tatiana, can you read it?
Yes.
So,
What is specific performance?
what do you
Performance.
think it is?
Performance.
Performance.
Performance. Maybe some type of doing some term of contract or some.
Yes.
Yes,
So
she's
imaginative.
actually
Excellent.
right. It means the way to behave when you are fulfilling a contract. And so can you read the answer?
It is an order from the court that obliges the party in breach to do as promised to do under the terms of the contract.
Okay, and
Right.
it's obliges.
Obliges.
That obliges. Yes, and it's
Yes,
promise.
obliges the party in breach to just promise to do under the terms of the contract. Yes.
Excellent.
All right.
You imagine, Tatiana.
What?
That you imagined perfectly well what specific performance was, even though it's not your field.
She knows more than what she states. Very good. So is there any other? I'm not so sure.
Let's see.
Very good. So I think that was it for my presentation. Maybe Adela wants to deliver her part before I deliver my activities. Sorry.
You're muted.
Is there a problem?
You should stop sharing and
Yes.
I will.
Very good. Let me just, where is the stop sharing? Right. I just stop sharing.
Okay.
Right.
Well, one of the contracts, maybe one type of contract that is called sale of goods contract. What do you imagine that sale of goods could be? What is sale of goods? Juan Ignacio?
I think that it is in relation, I remember the Incoterms.
And what about it?
They tell you the way in which goods have to be sent to the buyer from the seller, and the retention of title,
Yes.
and other things.
So what is the contract sale of goods in Spanish, what would be?
Compra-venta de mercaderías.
Compra-venta de bienes, muebles.
Yes.
Yes, that's sale of goods. The thing, it mixes up with another type of area of the law, which is the consumer law, because you can sell something from one company to another company. That's okay. And that would be sale of goods. But there's also sale of goods and selling something from a company to a consumer. And in that case, it mixes up with some regulations as regards consumer law. The same happens in Argentina, yes? Well, what I have brought you today is this type of contract, which is sale of goods. First of all, we will try to watch a video from a lecturer. The lecturer is an Irish professor. He's a lawyer from Ireland. So the accent is perfectly intelligible, but a bit different. And later on, we will go on with the PDF that I sent you related to sale of goods. So I will claim my host, Tomás. I will, let's see.
Very good. So shall I stop recording?
No, yes, please stop recording. Yes.